Hey, what's up guys? It's Nico here, and what I'm going to show you is how to broadcast a flow. I just realized that you can do this. What you do is you go over to your ManyChat account, go to broadcast, and we're just going to start a new broadcast. So go here, and then what you want to do is you have to send a first initial message. So you would say, hey guys, happy Monday. So you have to have some sort of like initial message here, but what you can do after that is you can go down here, click continue to another step, choose next step, and then go to a flow. So then what you can do is you can attach any flow that you already have in here. So like I can just attach this full flow, and then what's going to happen is, let's just check it in Flow Builder. So I'm just going to go like this. It's going to automatically continue to this full flow, and you can see what this full flow looks like. So this is one that's already pre-built out. So super powerful. Like, this is an easy way to reuse your flows for your broadcast messages that you send out. Super simple and super effective.